Hey there! Ready to dive into the world of e-commerce and start making money online in 2025? Let's break it down step by step. First up, choosing the right platform. Platforms like Shopify, BigCommerce, and WooCommerce are leading the pack this year. Each has its own perks. Shopify is user-friendly, BigCommerce offers robust features, and WooCommerce is perfect if you want to customize everything. Pick one that suits your needs and budget. Next, niche selection. This is crucial. Find a niche you're passionate about, but also one with demand. Use tools like Google Trends and check out competitors. This will help you identify gaps in the market. Now, sourcing products. You can go for dropshipping, where you don't hold inventory, or wholesale, where you buy in bulk and store the products yourself. Websites like AliExpress and Alibaba are great for dropshipping. And if you want to go local, check out domestic wholesalers. Then it's time to set up your store. Make sure your website is clean, easy to navigate, and mobile-friendly. Use high-quality images and write compelling product descriptions. Don't forget to set up your payment gateway. PayPal, Stripe, and Square are all good options. Marketing is next. Social media is your friend here. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok can drive a lot of traffic if used correctly. Create engaging content, run ads, and collaborate with influencers. Email marketing is also powerful. Build a list and keep your audience updated with promotions and new arrivals. Customer service should be top-notch. Respond to inquiries promptly, handle returns gracefully, and always aim to exceed customer expectations. Tools like Zendesk or even simple chatbots can streamline this process. Lastly, analyze and optimize. Use Google Analytics and other tools to track your performance. Look at what's working and what isn't. Adjust your strategies accordingly. This ongoing process will ensure your e-commerce business continues to grow. So there you have it. E-commerce success in 2025 is within your reach. Follow these steps, stay dedicated, and you'll be well on your way to making money online. Good luck! See you in the next video.